How do you think of Finnish football?
It's not as good as in England, but it is up there, I would say.
Now I am in John, right? Your English name is John?
Johannes.
I'm in Johannes' room. You are in your last year of high school. I'm in his room. I'm pretty curious about his room.
So yeah, I'm a very big Ronaldo fan.
Yeah,
I like him a lot. He's my goat personally. Dresses with clothes, organized, pants, socks, trousers, shirt, football shirts in here.
This is like Liverpool and Chelsea.
England, other various sports equipment and clothing in here.
By the way, he's half English and half Finnish.
Yeah. Some random stuff on my desktop, some stuff that I got. Alarm clock, obviously.
This is alarm clock.
Yeah,
it's like Lego.
Alarm clock. Lego alarm clock.
Yeah, cool stuff.
What else? Obviously, I have Lego sets on top of the cupboards. I don't have as much Lego as I used to. They're mostly now in these kind of little boxes, the smaller pieces.
Yeah.
Or then downstairs in bigger boxes.
Ronaldo.
Yeah, another Ronaldo
legend.
Poster.
This is the signature?
It's not real. It's not real. It's printed signature. It's not real.
Okay.
What else? Journals, things. This is just random stuff from events such as festivals and
Madrid.
Yeah, Real Madrid, ring.
Yeah.
Fragrances are here, organized.
Wow.
And then we have all my football cards that I've collected over the years. When I was a kid, when I used to collect football cards.
That was cool. So you're a big fan of football?
Yeah. I personally like football a lot.
So you play football games a lot too?
Yeah.
FIFA games?
Definitely. Let's see how many FIFAs. I have sold a couple, but I at least have FIFA 18, FIFA 21, 22, 23. And I did used to have 19 as well and 20, but I sold them both, so now I only have these 4.
Are you going to buy 25?
No, I stopped buying FIFA ever since it became EAFC.
Wow, look at the Lego pieces.
Bigger Lego sets are there.
It must be pricey.
I don't remember how much that was because my parents gave that to me as a Christmas gift, so they didn't tell me how much it cost.
Wow.
This one I bought with my own money, I remember that, and this I think as well. I can't remember how much they cost anymore. And obviously football stickers on the...
Football stickers.
Yep.
Oh, out there. So do you sleep here?
Yes, this is my bed right here. Currently it has a football theme.
And the curtain. You got the curtain.
And the curtains are football curtain.
Wow.
Yeah.
This is a
gaming chair.
This is England.
Gaming chair, yep. I went to watch when Finland played England at Helsinki, so this is from that match.
How do you think of Finnish football?
It's not as good as in England, but it is up there, I would say, in terms of not the best in Europe, but it's not the worst either.
Is it like progressing?
Yes, it is progressing. Maybe not well enough, but it is getting there slowly.
But hockey is
ice hockey is a very big thing in Finland. And,
I see.
Sadly, though, we haven't been doing that well in the recent years either. I mean,
compared to Canada
or USA, we haven't been done. Last time we won the championship was 2019, I think, was the last time. 19, I think, was the last time we won. The ice hockey championship, the men's. Under 21s, maybe 21 or 22 was the last time we won ice hockey championship. And women have never won. They've been third. They've won bronze, but so even in that aspect, Finland isn't at the top level. Those go to Russia, USA, Canada, Sweden.
It's a shame, but probably I catch up later.
Yes, of course.
Yeah. You play games a lot?
Not anymore. I haven't started this PS4 up for probably a year maybe. So it's just been sitting here currently.
Why?
Because I don't know. I just kind of lost motivation, to be honest. There's nothing to play anymore, and also because I'm kind of busy with other things, to be honest.
Because of the school stuff?
Because of school stuff and because of friends and things. I don't play that much. I mean, if I have a friend over, I might play because I have 2 controllers.
Yeah.
But other than that, I don't really play. I obviously bought the monitor and I also have headphones. But I wouldn't say that I'm a gamer, at least not anymore. I think the most I've ever played was FIFA 21 when I literally come back from school and I just play FIFA all day and then go to school and then come back again and play FIFA all day, every day.
I used to play the FIFA Online 3, online game.
Yeah.
Did you play?
No, I don't.
What is this Porsche?
It's because I bought this wallet, this Porsche wallet, from when I was in Germany.
Yeah.
I think this might be one of my, I dare say not the
Porsche.
biggest purchase, but it might be. It might be up there. I think it was about 100 and something euros.
Yeah.
That wallet.
Yeah.
Just because of the logo, but it was worth it, in my opinion.
Porsche
logo, yeah.
Do you have the medal? Can you show us the medal?
I'm not sure what these medals are. I think these are just participation medals, I think. Yes. These are participation medals. These two are from school Olympics. We used to do these in school. Third grade.
You call it Olympics?
Yeah, second grade for third grade. Well, that's first grade. So yeah.
Yeah.
I only have one medal here that is not a participation medal, and that's when we played in a tournament and we got bronze, which was a little annoying because we could have won the whole thing.
Yeah.
And I have just random bags here, to be honest. And these are
the student card?
No, these are from a camp called Teen Street, which I go to, which is in Germany.
In Germany.
Yeah. All these years I have been, so 19, 22, 23, 24, because of COVID there wasn't any. But this camp is held in Germany annually, and thousands of people from all over Europe and also from outside come to this place in Germany, and we are all Christian and we come together, and it's a whole week-long program with learning more about God and doing fun things together and raising money for charity through running and just spending time with people from all around Europe, getting to know people.
Yeah. What about Asia?
There are a couple people from Asia, but usually not as much. I remember a couple of years there have been people from South Korea and also people from USA, but mostly inside Europe.